In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Maps dark mode. Dark mode can reduce glare at night, make maps easier on your eyes, and even help save a bit of battery on OLED screens. I'll walk you through the exact path in the app and explain what each theme option does so you can pick the one that fits your routine. Start by opening the Google Maps app on your phone. This walkthrough is for mobile, and the process is nearly identical on Android and iOS. Once Maps is open, look to the top right corner of the screen. Tap your profile picture or your initial if you haven't set a profile photo yet. That opens your account menu. From there, choose Settings. This is where Google Maps keeps all of its preferences. Inside Settings, scroll until you see App and Display. The wording can vary slightly depending on your device, but you're looking for the section that controls how the app looks. Go ahead and tap it. Next, select Theme. This is the control center for light and dark appearance in Google Maps. You'll see three choices. I'll quickly explain what each one means so you can make an informed decision. Always in dark theme keeps your maps, menus, and most interface elements in a dark appearance all the time. This is great for night driving, low light environments, or if you simply prefer darker screens. Always in light theme does the opposite. It keeps everything bright and high contrast, which some people prefer during the day or in well-lit spaces. Same as device theme ties Google Maps to your phone's system appearance. If your phone switches to dark mode in the evening or when battery saver turns on, Maps will follow automatically. If your device is set to light mode, Maps will stay light. Choose this if you like your apps to adapt without manual changes. Once you've picked the option you want, tap Save. That immediately applies your choice across the app. If you're using navigation, the map colors will adjust to match the theme you selected while still keeping important routes and labels clearly visible. If the theme doesn't change right away, a quick app restart usually helps, and keeping Google Maps updated ensures you have the latest display options. Also, remember that dark mode affects readability in different lighting conditions, so feel free to come back and switch options whenever your needs change. That's it. You've set up dark mode in Google Maps, and now you're in control of when and how the app goes dark. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more comfortable, glare-free mapping experience.